Welcome, and thank you for your interest in ConnectBeauty, the lead management CRM system specifically designed for the beauty industry. In this demonstration, we'll take a look at ConnectBeauty from a salesperson's perspective. Playing the role of the salesperson, we'll look at ConnectBeauty from the perspective of someone who's responsible for turning leads into true customers and students of our beauty school. First, we'll start out by quickly touching on theme setting, a unique aspect of ConnectBeauty. With theme setting, ConnectBeauty allows you to set the color and design of the system to reflect your personality and tastes. For example, Valentine. This way you can make it a pleasing environment to work in based on your personality. As a salesperson, your world revolves around the sales process. From lead to close, this is your life. And the source of all sales are potential sales which start out as leads. You love leads. Lots of leads. And with ConnectBeauty, you can easily work your way from lead to close in an intuitive workflow. Let's begin. First, you'll want to review your leads. And you only want to see your leads, not to have to mill through a list and filter out your own. With ConnectBeauty, based on the leads your manager assigned to you, your view will be that of your leads only. Next, you'll need to take action on these leads, and you'll want to schedule your time accordingly. Once you initially make contact, you probably will want to do some follow-up with some more refined qualification for sale. On the right-hand pane of the View Leads section, you can perform several of the most common activities in a matter of mouse clicks. Simply click on the lead in question, choose Schedule a Call, choose the appropriate option, Phone Call, and fill in the appropriate information. Just like Outlook that you're familiar with, fill in the fields and your calendar is updated with this lead's activities. If you need to schedule a meeting, the same applies. If you're scheduling a tour, simply label it appropriately, which is easy with ConnectBeauty and our drop-down options. Assign tour, fill in the details, and save. Another frequent activity is writing an email to a lead. Using our in-system marketing templates, you can launch an email, choose one of your leads, choose from the email templates you and your colleagues have created, and send it on its way. No more wasting time writing an email from scratch, cutting and pasting email from one system to another. It's all connected in ConnectBeauty, helping to make you work more efficiently and get on to closing more of those deals. Once the lead is interested enough not to be considered cold anymore, you can promote them to a prospect right from this window. Click Promote to Prospect, and yes. All of the associated information and activity done with this lead follows it along to prospect. None of your work or details disappears. Moving on, as a salesperson, you are most concerned with having leads or prospects show interest in your product or service, or in this case, your school. Once a lead or prospect shows interest in a certain service, there's a dollar value associated with that potential sale. It's at this point with ConnectBeauty that we can assign an opportunity. Think of an opportunity as having financial value. So let's go ahead and move from our leads to prospects, since we promoted that lead to a prospect, and view prospects. In order to assign an opportunity, we need to choose the prospect we're interested in, and then on the right, we get the same shortcut menu that we did with the lead, being able to schedule calls, meetings, emails, and so forth. But in this case, we're going to create an opportunity. By clicking on Create Opportunity, we can assign a dollar value to the lead or prospect or account and enter the details. So let's do so. Anticipated close date, perhaps about a month out. Choose the product or service, the quantity. Now the rate will fill in based on the dollar amount that was pre-set up in the global settings, but we do have the ability to override this as a salesperson. The probability of close, perhaps 90%. The weighted value automatically calculates for us, and we can set the status, in this case, open. And we can save this. We've now added that opportunity to our particular prospect. Clicking refresh, we can now see that our opportunity results. Once you're making progress with a prospect or a lead or account, you want to keep track of things you say and do. The Notes section of ConnectBeauty allows you to do just that. So we're going to open back up the prospect we were working on. Simply click on the Note tab. Call Janice in week. We could also go ahead and schedule the call, and we'll have all of our information in one place where we need it instead of on sticky notes and Outlook and several other places. The information is where you need it to be most productive in the sales process. Now, as a salesperson, success is when a prospect signs a contract or becomes your customer. To track that easily in ConnectBeauty, you simply click Promote to Account, click OK, and the system performs a number of steps to keep the information accurate for both analysis and reporting. The prospect is now categorized as an account and a true customer or student. The dollar value of the sale is reported as earned revenue, the status is closed, and it will show up on all dashboards and reports appropriately. We're now ready to do some analysis on our dashboard. As a salesperson, you too are interested in performance. Your performance. You can review your dashboard to get information on different aspects therein. The pipeline report gives you insight into the associated dollar amount of all your deals. It's summarized by lead and by prospect. And within each of these two categories, it further refines it based on the way you want to define the status of the lead. The groups, as we call them in ConnectBeauty, qualify the temperature of the lead with regard to moving forward to becoming a student. For example, not today, cold, visit or tour required, or maybe but not today might be warm, existing client, maybe hot, and so forth, from which you can glean how quickly these leads and prospects might turn into real revenue. Moving on to My Goals, you can see all of your sales activity and revenue attainment. The My Task area summarizes your activities goals such as phone calls, emails, and your overall revenue goal. My Achieved Tasks reports exactly what you've done, how many leads you have, the number of prospects and accounts, the number of phone calls and emails you've made, and your total sales to date. Down below on the thermometer, you can see actual revenue attainment based on your goal in the lower left and as compared to the company's sales goal on the right. This means that without having to spend hours creating different spreadsheets to calculate all of this different data, you can, at a glance, see how you're doing compared to goals. With ConnectBeauty, you're able to control the lead management and sales cycle with an easy-to-use solution that helps you to be more productive, offer deep insight into the details and performance, and ultimately drive more revenue and success for your business. What we've seen is how ConnectBeauty can help you with your lead management and CRM process, using one system across all sales and marketing processes, sharing knowledge, streamlining your sales team, improving insight, and increasing revenue. In a recent benchmark study, businesses who implemented CRM improved their business across a variety of areas, including revenue increases, decreased sales cycle, decreased sales and marketing costs, and improved profit margins. If you'd like to learn more about ConnectBeauty, please visit our website, call us, or email us directly. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and have a great day.